Hello, today we will guide you through how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to view a channel's details, see who's already in it, and add more people so your whole team can be included. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to add members to the channel, and remember that private channels and guest accounts may have restrictions set by your workspace admins. Start in your Slack workspace and open the channel you want to use. If you don't see it right away in the sidebar, scroll or use the search bar to find the channel name. Once you've located it in the sidebar, right-click the channel name to open the Quick Actions menu. This menu is the fastest way to get to the tools you'll need for managing membership without leaving your current view. From that menu, choose View Channel Details. This opens a panel with everything about the channel, including its purpose, topic, and who's in it. In this panel, click the Members section. Here you can confirm who's already part of the conversation, which is helpful before you invite additional people. It's a good habit to scan this list so you avoid duplicates and understand whether key teammates are already included. Next, click Add People. Slack will present a field where you can add individuals. You can type names to add people who are already in your workspace, or you can enter email addresses for colleagues who aren't in Slack yet. If you're working toward getting everyone into the channel, this is where you'll add the full set of teammates you need. Consider adding them in batches, and use your organization's standard distribution or contact list to ensure you don't miss anyone. If your workspace supports user groups, adding those here can also help you include broad sets of members efficiently. After you've entered the people you want to add, click Add to send the invitations. Existing workspace members will be added immediately, and anyone invited by email will receive an invite to join Slack and the channel. You should see confirmations in the channel or in the Details panel. If you run into limits, it may be due to channel privacy settings or admin policies, so check with your workspace administrator. That's it. You opened the channel, accessed its details, reviewed the member list, added people, and confirmed the additions. Repeat the Add People step as needed until everyone you want is included. This approach keeps your team aligned and ensures important updates reach the right audience.